much port is and what your dipstick is, because they'll be bright yellow. Right? Read your manual to make sure you're putting the right kind of oil in your truck. We're going to be using Delvac Extreme FE 10W30 because that's what came with the truck. And this is full synthetic. And if you care, go ahead, get on in there. Put our funnel in. Make sure your wheels are pointed in a way that helps you get in there really nicely. Make sure you don't pour it too fast so it doesn't overfill on you. Very expensive, you don't want to waste it. Clean out your funnel once you're finished. So you don't get oil everywhere. Make sure to put your cap on. And then just pull your dipstick back out, retest it, see if you need any more oil in that. That was it, guys. Remember to check out our giveaway link in our YouTube channel, and remember to check us out on Instagram at TruckHub _TruckHub_TruckHub_TruckHub. Thank you, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment so more people like you and me get to see this video. And you have a blessed day today.